and gentlemen, travelers of all ages, let's face it, family vacations are magical, but also exhausting. We've got the snacks, the toys, the weather-appropriate layers, and let's not forget the unending quest to entertain those mini travelers. By the time you've zipped up your suitcase, you're already daydreaming about your return to the couch. But wait, hold on to your neck pillows because I've got something that will make your next international travel adventure a total breeze. Prepare to toss those stress levels out the airplane window because Global Entry is here to save the day. And guess what? It's now free for kids. Yes, you heard that's right. I'll take a moment to let this sink in. Global Entry is free for kids. Picture this. You're at the airport with your tiny Explorer. There's no frantic shuffling and endless lines, no grumpy travelers giving you the stink eye, and certainly no panic as your kids discover the joys of an impromptu game of peekaboo with their passports. With Global Entry, you're the ultimate travel pro. Breezing through customs like an international VIP, you're gliding. You're winning at parenthood. You're at baggage claim in record time. Now, let's break it down for you. Global Entry is a trusted travelers program that allows pre-approved, low-risk globetrotters to zip through expedited lines when returning to the United States. No more standing in the internal custom lines. Instead, you're scanning your way through like a travel-savvy superstar you are. But wait, you're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Nothing in life is free, right? And you're partially right. Here's a catch. There's still a fee for adults, $149.33 to be exact. But kids under 18, they're officially off the hook if their parents are members. Yep, your mini globetrotter can tag along fee-free. That's right, a 2-for-1 deal, because who doesn't love a good bargain? So here's the game plan to get your child enrolled. Step 1, make sure you've got your own Global Entry membership. Step 2, log into your Trusted Travelers program account and navigate to the magical Add a Child section. Step 3, provide some basic information and schedule a quick interview. Honestly, the interviews are as painless as that layover in a charming airport with endless coffee shops. And boom, your little adventurers are ready to skip lines and elevate your family travel game. But wait, there's more. If Global Entry doesn't quite suit your travel style, there are other options. Frequent trips to Canada? NEXUS has you covered. Headed to Mexico often? Check out SENTRI. It's like a menu of time-saving travel delights. And before you even think about shelling out that membership fee, check your credit card points. Many travel cards offer reimbursements for Global Entry or TSA pre-check applications. So, you might not even need to spend a dime. How's that for a travel win? In summary, my fellow adventurers, Global Entry isn't just a travel program. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It's your passport to sanity when navigating airports with kids in tow. Now pack your bags, grab your passports, and get ready to explore the world with ease. With Global Entry, the journey is just as enjoyable as the destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, bon voyage! Bye!